Hey, garden lovers! It's July, the perfect time to get your hands dirty and multiply your garden beauties without spending a dime. If you're excited about growing more plants from what you already have, then stick around. Today, I'm sharing 10 easy perennials you can take cuttings from right now. Ready to dive in? Let's go! First on our list is the lavender. This fragrant beauty is a breeze to propagate. Just snip a healthy stem, remove the lower leaves, and pop it into some soil. Keep it moist, and soon you'll have a new lavender plant. Easy, right? Next up, we have rosemary. Making your dishes taste amazing, rosemary is super simple to clone. Cut a 4-inch piece from a non-flowering stem, strip the leaves off the bottom, and place it in water or soil. Before you know it, you'll have a new plant ready for your herb garden. Now, let's talk about sedum, also known as stonecrop. This succulent is tough and forgiving. Just snap off a piece, let it dry out for a day or two, and then plant it in well-draining soil. It'll root in no time, giving you a new sedum to enjoy. These are another fantastic choice. They're vibrant, colorful, and super easy to propagate. Cut a healthy stem just below a node, strip the lower leaves, and stick it into some soil. Keep it warm and watered, and you'll see roots forming in a couple of weeks. Fifth on our list is mint. This one's almost too easy. Take a cutting from the top of the plant, remove the bottom leaves, and place it in water or soil. Mint roots quickly, so you'll have plenty of fresh leaves for your tea or mojitos in no time. Fuchsias are not only stunning, but also straightforward to propagate. Cut a non-flowering stem, dip it in rooting hormone if you have it, and plant it in soil. Keep it humid, and soon enough, you'll have a new fuchsia plant to brighten up your garden. Who doesn't love hydrangeas? They're gorgeous and super easy to take cuttings from. Just snip a healthy stem, remove the lower leaves, and place it in soil. Water it well, and you'll see roots forming in a few weeks. Salvia is another fantastic perennial for propagation. Take a 4-inch cutting, remove the bottom leaves, and stick it into some soil. Keep it moist and in bright, indirect light, and you'll have a new salvia plant growing in no time. Coral bells, or heuchera, are perfect for adding color to your garden and plant it in soil. With a little care, you'll have new plants ready to go. And last but not least, hostas. These shade-loving plants are a gardener's favorite. Take a cutting from a healthy stem, remove the lower leaves, and plant it in soil. Keep it in a shady spot, and soon you'll have a new hosta plant. See how easy that was? In just a few simple steps, you can multiply your favorite perennials and fill your garden with even more beauty. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, everyone!